Hey guys, Nick Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. The question we got is, Nick, how do I react at a street robbery? So, the guy's got a gun, he wants your money, so let's go, Pat.
Can you stuff my
Shit.
watch?
Alright, here, just take it, no problem.
Come on,
Here.
fast, hurry up.
Alright, here, it's all yours, man, just go ahead.
Come on, enough.
It's all yours, there you go, man, it's all yours. Here.
Your money, everything.
Here.
Your money,
Shit.
your
Okay,
keys, everything.
Here, I have no money, man. I just gave you everything I got. You can check my pockets, man. Look.
Come on,
I got
man.
nothing. I know it's all yours.
Clean, man.
It's all yours, man. Look, I have nothing else. I swear to God, man. Just take. That's all I got.
Look the other way, man.
You know what, guys? We're looking at. First of all, this is what a gun attack actually looks like. At no point was Pat stay static. At no point was he here, not moving, where I could do something like this or do something like this. No, he was protecting his hand. His hand was always in front. The weapon was always moving. At no point, I saw at one point when he was close that I can grab the weapon hand. But again, I look at it like it was a real gun. I do this, he flinches, he moves, fucking gun starts firing, somebody's gonna die. He wanted my money. Unless you value money more than your life, unless you value what you have in your pocket or whatever you're going to give him is going to save you, keep you alive, that's your decision. I'm not going to be there. But I know the dangers of being attacked in close quarter with a knife or with a gun. Now, if I gave him everything and he grabbed me, told me, come with me. All right, no problem. All right. Where are we going? Okay, no problem. I'll give you whatever you want, man. Okay, good. All right, I'm coming. Then it's different. It wasn't the perfect trap with the idea, and that's it. I grabbed the gun. And then it's a fight. Right? So, in that point, I have no choice but to fight him. Right? If I give him my money, now he tells me, get in the car, come with me, you have to do something. You're better off fighting exactly where you are than getting into a car, getting into a secondary location. Guys, I don't want to make any of this stuff look easy. Right? I'm not under adrenaline, I'm not under fight or flight, I'm not under, there's just the fear and all the shit that is actually going to happen. I'm in a controlled, safe environment. But I've had a gun put to my head, I've seen people shoot in a club, I've had it flashed to me. It's fucking scary, especially in close quarter. So, as much as possible, you want to try to stay calm. Now look, I gave him my watch, I threw stuff, even giving him my stuff, I'm talking to him, I'm communicating with him, I'm in movement, I'm still aware, where's the gun, where is he moving, is he looking around, is there a car coming to pick him up, is there any improvised weapons around me? Even though I'm here and I'm cooperating, I'm still being aware of my surroundings, and I'm still, if let's say he did this and he put the gun to my head, and I don't know, a door went poof and he turned around and he looked. Maybe then I would make my move. But the way he was attacking me right now, I didn't see the opportunity at all. Even when he was checking my pocket, the hand was there. It's not like I'm going to do this, and it's not like I'm going to risk my life. And I get it real. Look, man, I have nothing on me, man. Just go ahead and check my back pockets. What is he going to shoot me? Look, if the person wants you dead, he's not going to do any of this stuff. If somebody wants you dead, he's going to walk and boom and shoot. So if he hasn't pulled the trigger, what does that mean? You still have a chance to talk. You still have a chance to defuse, to de-escalate, to work with him, to give him what he needs, and get him what he wants, and just get him the fuck out as quickly as possible. Okay, guys. Now again, we just skimmed the surface. If you guys want to learn more self-defense, we have an hour and a half gun defense video. We'll put the link on the bottom, on the description box. If you guys are interested, click the link. Go check out the video, as well as let us know what is the next video you would like to see. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.